Afternoon, everybody. This is Dave Lonhart with the Arizona Elk Society. We're over here at AES headquarters. We're going to go ahead and do that raffle for that Best of the West Arizona Custom Hunter Elite 300 PRC rifle. So let's find out who the lucky winner is. More tickets, so I'll give it an extra little shake or two. Okay. The ticket number is 28300. 28300. So congratulations to Michael J. Michael, we'll be giving you a call. And again, everybody, thank you for your continued support of Arizona Elk Society and Heroes Rising Outdoors.